this video, we calculate the coefficient of skewness of the given distribution by using the formula 3 into x bar minus median divided by standard deviation. Now, the given problem is calculate the coefficient of skewness based on mean and median. Clearly given that we have to evaluate the skewness based on mean and median from the following table. Given class interval 0, 10, 10, 20 up to 7, 80 and frequencies 6, 12 up to 6. In this problem, we evaluate coefficient of skewness based on mean and median using this formula skp equals to 3 into x bar minus median divided by sigma. So first we have to evaluate mean, median and standard deviation of the distribution. Now first we evaluate mean, median and standard deviation by step deviation method. Given class intervals and mid values of class intervals 5, 15, 25, 35 and so on 75. Now given frequencies 6, 12, 22, 48, 56, 32, 18, 6. The sum value is capital N equals to summation Fi that equals to 200. Now di, that is deviation xi minus a divided by h. Here a is the assumed mean. Now we take this as assumed mean, approximately middle of the distribution. Now di equals to xi, that is 5 minus assumed mean 35 divided by h is the width of the interval, that is width of the interval is 10. By evaluating that we get minus 3, for this minus 2, minus 1 and so on minus 4. Now evaluating the squares of deviations, di squares 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Fi di, product of these two terms, Fi into di, that equals to 6 into minus 3, 12 into minus 12 and so on. Evaluating the sum, summation Fi di equals to 134. The last column is Fi di square, Fi into di square, 6 into 9, 12 into 4 and so on. Finding the summation Fi di square, that gives 566. Here the mean x bar equals to assumed mean plus 1 by sum of frequencies into summation Fi di into h, where h is the length of the interval. Now just by substituting corresponding values, assumed mean a equals to 35 plus 1 by sum of frequencies 200 into summation Fi di is 134 into width of the interval is 10. That gives 41.7. Now variance is sigma square equals to h square into 1 by n into summation Fi di square minus 1 by n into summation Fi di whole square. H equals to 10, that equals to 10 square into 1 by 200 into 566 minus 1 by n into summation Fi di 200 into 134 whole square. That gives 238.0.849. The standard deviation is nothing but the positive square root of the variance, square root of 238.0848, that equals to 15.43. Next we evaluate median. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c. To evaluate median, first we have to find the median class. For that, find n by 2 value. Here n by 2 is 200 divided by 200. Now we have to take the cumulative frequency which is greater than 100, just greater than 100. Now evaluating the cumulative frequencies, 6, 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 22, 40, 40 plus 48, 88, 88 plus 56, 144, 144 plus 32, 176, 176 plus 18, 194, 194 plus 6 equals to 200. Now n by 2 value is 100, just greater than 100 is, here we have 144. So this is the cumulative frequency corresponding to the class 4050. So this is the median class. So median class is 4050. Now lower bound of the median class is 40, that is L. M is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Now median class is 40, 50. Preceding class cumulative frequency is 88. So M is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 88. F is the frequency of the median class. Now 40, 50 is the median class. Its frequency is 56. So frequency of the median class 56. So F equals to 56. And C is the length of the median class interval, that gives 10. Now evaluating the median by using the formula L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into C, that equals to 40 plus 100 minus 88 divided by 56 into 10, that gives 42.14. Now the coefficient of skewness is given by SKP equals to 3 into x bar minus median divided by standard deviation, that equals to 3 into mean of the distribution 41.7 minus median, just we have evaluated 42.14, divided by standard deviation is 15.43. So that gives minus 0.085. So this is the coefficient of skewness. In the next video, we will discuss about kurtosis of the distribution.